OUKITEL WP15 hits 5G era as the world's first 15,600 mAh huge battery 5G budget phone. The WP15 is now officially released. The price for the phone will currently be $299 until the 27th. Take the opportunity and grab your WP15 today. Now, if the battery is your most important item, then you will really like the fact that the WP15 has a mega battery with a capacity of 50,600 mAh, very likely 2 cells, which supports a fast charge of 80 watts and will last a week of average use on hold, who knows, a month, maybe 2. The massive battery capacity is not the only killer feature of the WP15, it also is blessed with a solid performance MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G octa-core chipset, which provides super fluent and speedy user experience. The 8GB of RAM makes sure every pre-reading and writing can be done instantly too, plus the 128GB storage is expandable with TF cards. And the camera won't disappoint it either. The front of the device features a 8MP AI selfie camera, and on the back is 48MP Sony main camera, allows you to capture all the perfect scenes of your journey. Your visual experience is quite important too. The big, clean and vivid screen delivers just that. The phone is armed with a 6.52-inch high-resolution display and 80:9 aspect ratio, which gives you a perfect landscape view option in every angle. WP15 also meets the IP68, IP69K rugged ratings, which means it's both dust-proof and waterproof at the same time, and it passed the all-standard military test to achieve MIL-STD 810G certification. Lastly, let's don't forget to mention that the OUKITEL WP15 5G can be yours at the affordable price of only $299. The first 100 buyers will get a free watches worth $15. The buyers from 100 to 600 get the TVS earphones. Official OUKITEL sales links are below this video, don't forget to visit them. That will be all for today, see you soon with some new video. Bye.